In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide strip in Wix. If you want to remove a strip from view in your Wix site without deleting it, this is a very simple option to use. Hiding a strip can be useful when you are updating a section, testing a new layout, or temporarily removing content from your page while you continue working in the editor. The good thing is that you can do this directly inside Wix in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Wix editor. Make sure you are on the page where the strip appears so you can access the correct section. Once the editor is open, take a moment to locate the strip you want to hide. In Wix, a strip is usually a full-width section that can contain text, images, buttons, or other elements. It often stretches across the page, so it should be easy to identify once you are looking at the right area. When you have found the strip, move your cursor over it and right-click on that strip. This will open a menu with different options related to that specific section. Be careful to right-click on the strip itself, not on an item inside the strip, such as a text box or image, because that can bring up the wrong menu. From the menu, select Hide. In some cases, you may see an option that refers to not showing it on all pages. Choose the option that matches what you want to do. If your goal is simply to hide that strip from view, this is the setting you need. Once selected, the strip will no longer be visible in the way it was before. This method is helpful because it allows you to keep the strip in your project without permanently removing it. That means you can continue editing your site while keeping certain sections out of view. It is a quick way to clean up the page or prepare a different version of your layout. If you are working carefully, it is always a good idea to double-check that you selected the correct strip before hiding it. This can save time and help you avoid confusion later, especially if your page has several similar sections. That covers everything you need to know.